I want to talk to you about the best car warranty companies this year. So if you are actually, if you have a car, whether you have a personal car or use the car for delivery, or let's just say in general, you want to really be aware of the best car warranty companies. So here are the top warranties I want you to pay attention to. First, you have Olive. So Olive actually does a great job when it comes to giving you a good warranty program. Okay, and the cool thing about Olive is that you have the ability to have your warranty kick in immediately. You don't have to wait 30 days. You don't have to wait 7 days. You have to wait 14 days. It's immediate, so that's really good. And one thing I want you to also think about Olive is that they do have an extended auto warranty, so that's kind of cool. And you have a lot of special benefits that you don't find with other warranty companies as well. You have a hassle-free online claims process, and you have no waiting period before its vehicle service contracts go into effect. So Olive offers protection plans with no yearly mileage limits, making it an ideal choice for owners of high mileage vehicles or older cars. And Olive has been around for a while. They do have an A+ rating and accreditation from the Triple B, so that's kind of cool. So you also have a claims process that happens 100% online, so that's really fantastic. And the cool thing about Olive is that you once you're covered, you are covered. Like it starts like the day you just make the payment. Next, you have Car Shield. If you're looking for the best car warranty companies this year, I want you to think about the Car Shield. And Car Shield is one of the most popular extended warranty companies in the game, and it offers flexible payments, great benefits, and the customer's choice of repair facility. So that let's say something happens to your car, you can choose actually where you want the car to be repaired. That's kind of cool. And the company sells several coverage plans that range from basic to exclusionary, and there are options for motorcycles and ATVs. So that's really fantastic. On top of the extensive range of coverage options, CarShield includes great benefits with all its plans, including you have 24/7 emergency roadside assistance, you have trip interruption reimbursement, and rental car reimbursement. So that's really fantastic. And CarShield has been around for the last 20 years, so that's really good. If you're looking for the best car warranty companies, I want you to think about Endurance. Endurance is actually a great player, and basically they are actually present globally. So it's one of the best extended warranty companies around, and the company sells direct warranties. That means what? It means that the company services and handles its own policies and does not outsource claims to outside entities. So that's really good because the practice is not common in the industry, and it makes Endurance a compelling choice. And additionally, it gives the company a leg up, really, when it comes to customer service. And people love the care and attention that Endurance actually gives to its customers, especially during the quote and even the claims process. So that's kind of cool. So with Endurance, you have several coverage options from basic to exclusionary, and there are specialized plans for vehicles with higher miles. So if you're driving a higher mileage vehicle this year, you have the possibility to go with Endurance and save money. So that's really good. The company also sells a plan to cover breakdowns and regular maintenance. It's available in three tiers, each with a list of covered and excluded components. So you can add coverage for vehicle modifications and technical components. And the good thing is with Endurance, there are some plans that offer no waiting period. So that's really fantastic. You also have car checks. So if you're looking for a good car warranty company, think about car checks. And car checks is one of the more well-known companies in the extended warranty space. It offers 5 tiers of coverage for various vehicles. So that's kind of cool because you have no restriction here. Okay. So there are more specific options for people with varying needs. Additionally, CarChecks offers several benefits and add-ons that increase the value and convenience of its warranties. So that's really good because it gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to where you want to repair your car. So the company also allows you as a customer to choose your repair shop, and they also provide a 30-day money back guarantee. So again, that's really good. And I love the fact that basically they are very transparent when it comes to pricing. They're very transparent when it comes to the whole process. Okay. If you are a prospective customer, you can submit a quote application online and get basic information. But if you want to get an actual quote, the company requires a phone call, and they want you to really give up also some personal information. If you're looking for a great car warranty company this year, I want you to think about Concord. So Concord Auto Protect is actually a great auto warranty company. Okay, and so they also have they are a direct service provider. So its plans are handled in house. Okay, and the company offers three simple coverage options that include powertrain coverage at the most basic level. The top premium plan offers coverage for the vehicle's technology, heat and air conditioning. You have fuel system, brakes, and suspension. So that's kind of cool. And Concord is also transparent and open about what is covered, and they offer a clear list of non-covered components. So that's really good. Now, in terms of affordability, Concord is not going to be your top choice. Why? Because it's not the cheapest company out there, but its deductibles are reasonable. So that's kind of cool. And they also offer payment plans to split the cost of an expensive warranty over time. So that's really good. And so you have every plan coming up with additional benefits such as roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and dead battery and fuel service. You also have Omega. So if you're looking for a car warranty company this year, think about Omega Auto Care. So this is a reputable warranty company that provides transparent, detailed coverage information and simple contracts for its plans. And like Protect My Car, each extended warranty plan comes with maintenance benefits, including changes for oil, replacement for brake pads, shoes, and batteries, plus maintenance for lube and cooling systems. So that's really fantastic. And the cool thing also with Omega is that they really have overall positive customer reviews. They offer, let's say, maintenance coverage with all the plans, and simple contracts are readily available. So that's really fantastic. But just remember that only one deductible option is there, and there are reports of issues with canceling coverage. So be aware of that. If you're looking for a great car warranty company this year, I want you to think about Autopalm. And Autopalm actually does a great job in terms of being a third party warranty broker, differentiating itself in the industry by only working with A rated insurers and administrators. So you can see that they don't handle things in house. Okay. And so Autopalm actually offers the three coverage choices with over a dozen plan options. And so that's kind of cool. And if you want to go with Auto Pump, the quote process is very easy compared to the others that we have seen in today's conversation. Okay. And so they do offer coverage plans in California, which is not easy. Some car warranty companies don't want to do business in California, but the Auto Pump does have that. You have multiple contract options per coverage level. You have positive customer reviews, so that's really fantastic. So one thing I want to say here is that compared with other companies on this list, Auto Pump plans are more expensive on average. Okay, and they do offer three coverage options for new and used vehicles. Some plans exclude luxury vehicles like Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, and Bentley. So something to really think about. Next, you have Toco. So if you're looking for a car warranty company, think about Toco this year. And like Endurance, Toco is a direct warranty provider that administers its own contract. So everything is handled in-house. The company handles its extended service plans differently than most other providers in that it really restricts availability by vehicle mileage. And with Toco, you can pay month to month for your plan and cancel anytime you want if you are unsatisfied. Okay. And so that's kind of cool. And the company really administers all planes. And on top of that, no down payment is required. You also have vehicle service contracts that go up to 250,000 miles. So that's really good because it gives you a lot of flexibility, especially if you are, let's say, a frequent traveler. Having this ability, this flexibility baked in, it's going to help you big time. So that's really fantastic. If you're looking for a great car warranty company this year, I want you to think about Ally. So Ally Premier Protection. So Ally is one of the only major financial institutions to offer an extended warranty program. So warranty program, basically, you don't see a lot of banks actually wanting to do that. Okay, but for some reason, Ally does it. Not a problem. Okay. And so this is a car warranty company that has a specialty plan for EVs. So this is great. This is actually great to see. EVs are becoming more popular, but many warranty companies don't have updated plans for EV components. So Ally's EV plan is comprehensive and covers most breakdowns with some exclusions. So something to really think about. And with Ally, you have four coverage options: Major Guard EV, you have Essential Guard, and then you also have Feature Guard. So here you do have flexibility with Ally. And Ally offers warranties at participating dealerships, so you will have to get in touch with the dealer to find out what an extended warranty would cost. And if you get a plan at the same time as purchasing a vehicle, you can usually finance the warranty within the auto loan. You also have a MPP. That's the another car warranty company I want to share with you into this conversation. And so basically, MPP is a great company. The company has been around for the last 10 to 12 years. And basically, an MPP auto warranty plan is purchased through dealerships. Price information is really therefore not available online. But they do have a $100 deductible offering as well as a disappearing deductible offering. So that's kind of cool from a flexibility point of view. And so MPP actually, what I want to say here is that MPP Auto Warranty provides 10 main vehicle service contracts covering specific components. So you have like a Platinum Care Elite coverage, Platinum Elite coverage. You have a Platinum Plus coverage, Platinum coverage, Gold warranty coverage, Silver warranty coverage, and Bronze warranty coverage. So that's really good because it gives you some kind of flexibility and also gives you more autonomy in terms of what you do and what not to do. Okay, and what I want to say here is that MPP costs are based on your vehicle and the coverage that you want. You will have to contact the dealership to find out if it offers MPP and see what the costs are. So those are the top 10 car warranty companies. I have a bonus for you, okay? When it comes to car warranty companies, you have another one. You have Everything Breaks. So Everything Breaks is a great car warranty company. They've been around for a while now. And I mean, I love it. I love the name too. Now, this is a good name. So Everything Breaks offers multiple extended warranty plans with a unique business model of preset pricing. So I want you to really think about that preset pricing. So basically, instead of each plan has a one set monthly price as long as your vehicle fits into the requirements. So this makes it very easy to know what you would pay for. Everything breaks before reaching out for coverage, right? So Everything Breaks also offers an affordable plan that pays 50%. Can you imagine that? 50%. That's really good. 50% actually of a covered repair, up to $500 per repair and $2,000 per year. So you do have some kind of flexibility. Now, so when it comes to coverage, Everything Breaks offers 5 levels of coverage to choose from. So you have the top line, the deluxe, the enhanced powertrain, the standard powertrain, and you have the critical coverage. And Everything Breaks plans can cover up to 250,000 miles. The mileage limit for purchasing powertrain plans is 240,000, and the limit for purchasing top line or deluxe is 165,000 miles. So this is really good. And so when you think about their coverage options, top line, this is an exclusionary plan with comprehensive repair coverage. Deluxe covers 129 components on most major systems. Enhanced Powertrain covers 61 components on major systems. The standard powertrain covers 18 components on basic systems, and the critical coverage covers 50% of repairs up to $500 per repair, and like I said before, and $2,000 per year. So that's really good. So as long as your car is under the maximum mileage limit and qualifies for a plan, basically you will pay a certain rate. If you pay for 1 or 3 years up front, you get maintenance benefits as well. So that's kind of cool. So let me talk to you about methodology before we close to this conversation. When you think about the best car warranty companies, it's important to understand that for you to choose the best car warranty company for yourself, pay attention to our customer service and reviews, claims and payments, the plans, the selection, and the add-ons. That will help you big time. Also, the overall trustworthiness, the pricing and value also, so you have a clear idea what works and what doesn't work. Okay, you just do not want to go with a car warranty company because it's cheap. No, it has to be affordable, that's for sure. But it also has to have a good reputation. So, what should you know about car warranty companies this year? Let's first define what a car warranty company really is. So, basically, car warranty companies should not be confused with car insurance providers. So, while car insurance companies offer mechanical breakdown insurance sometimes as an add on to consumers, these plans rarely have the extensive coverage of the best car warranty companies. So a car warranty company actually is going to help you big time, especially when it comes to repairs. Okay, so you have extended car warranties from an automaker. You have aftermarket extended warranty companies. So that's really something to think about. And you also have if you want to find this year, you want to find the best car warranty companies for your specific car. You have to understand that everything depends on the kind of car you're driving in the first place. But please make sure that you also pay attention to their industry reputation, their customer satisfaction ratings. They have to have transparent business practices, so they shouldn't be having any problem at all. Like, if something is happening, blah blah blah. No, no, they have to be transparent upfront. And you also want to have a company that has a strong tracking record, a proven tracking record. They've been around for a while, okay? So if they have a long-standing company history, that's really fantastic. So, and you also want to have a car warranty company that's easy to use. So to know if a company will be simple to work with, consider these questions when picking out a provider. Does the company pay the repair facility directly? Are there extra benefits like roadside assistance, trip interruption coverage, and rental car reimbursement? Okay. And also, is there a 30-day money back guarantee in case you change your mind? So, especially if if you're shopping around for a car warranty company, you want to give yourself enough chances to make sure you are choosing the right provider for your car. So, as a recap into this conversation, I shared with you the top 10 car warranty companies, and so I spoke about the top warranties. So, Olive, Car Shield, Endurance, Car Checks, Concord, Auto Protect, Omega, Auto Care, Auto Palm, Toco, Ally Premier, and MPP. And finally, in the bonus, you have Everything Breaks. I spoke about the methodology, but also like how to choose the best car warranty for you this year. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will speak to you another time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.